At a time when news stories are being boiled down to short posts on social media, it's important to dig deeper for a full perspective. That's especially true when it comes to medical information. In this Mayo Clinic Minute, Jeff Olson gets a doctor's advice on wading through the steady stream of healthcare headlines.
Red wine burns fat. Sugar, public enemy number one. Coffee could literally be a lifesaver. Eating bacon can kill you. Health headlines that sizzle are the ones that go viral. But reader beware.
The media wants to sell the news.
Dr. Donald Hensrud is the director of the Mayo Clinic Healthy Living Program.
The devil is in the details, and people need to understand the details to fully understand the perspective of the latest study.
Dr. Hensrud says it's important to read beyond the big headline because when we learn something new, it usually isn't revolutionary.
Things change gradually. We know the principles of a healthy diet, and one study isn't going to change thousands of studies that show that.
In a world where anyone can post almost anything, Dr. Hensrud says credible sources for health news are more important than ever.
And look for a variety of opinions, not just one that sensationalizes the latest study.
And remember, the real story lies beyond the sizzle. For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Jeff Olson.
Before we go, a brief look at the main headlines. NHI is off to a good start. Private healthcare providers received their first payment for services provided to residents. Jafix Designs and Jafix Television excited about the year ahead. Minister Vanterpool gives a tour of the progress made at the Pier Park in preparation for the upcoming grand opening. Dr. Hesketh Vanterpool says Zika virus could reach the BVI and enough is not being done to keep the mosquito population down. And in our hot trends, we feature VI Bites, a new app that makes it easier to decide on your food choices. In news from the Caribbean, the Caribbean Tourism Organization says there is no reason to panic or put travel plans on hold as the Zika virus does not pose extraordinary threat to visitors to the Caribbean. And the Organization of American States Mission says talks are at a delicate stage to end the political and constitutional crisis in Haiti. We want to remind you that you can find all the news stories featured in this newscast as well as previous newscasts on our website jtvlive.net. Additional information and news updates can be found on our Facebook page, facebook.com/jtv55. Thank you so much for those of you who have already liked our page. And if you haven't, please visit our Facebook page and let us know that you like us. Of course, all our news features, press conferences, and Spotlight's top news segment with Sean Rose can also be found on our JTV News YouTube channel. You can subscribe for daily uploads. We welcome your questions and comments. You can email us at jtvnews@hotmail.com. For Sean Rose and the entire news team, I'm Ino Soman. Thank you so much for watching.